So what we realised when we started to look at Scratch was that the version of Raspberry Pi that came with our Vilros kit is slightly out of date. The newer versions of Scratch allow you to connect to hardware in a little bit of a better way. So we want to upgrade our entire Raspberry Pi. We could upgrade it in place, but it seems since we don't have a lot of stuff on it that we should just reinstall the latest version of Raspberry Pi on it. So Theo, if you can go to the Raspberry Pi website.
Yeah, go.
So go to Raspberry Pi. That's raspberrypi.org. So try that. Just search for Raspberry Pi. And it'll be the first hit, I'm sure. Yeah, you can use this mouse.
Oh yeah. This is really confusing because I'm used to using that.
There it is there. The first hit is raspberrypi.org.
Where?
It's this one up here.
That's where I teach learn.
Yeah, go for it. So if you hit downloads there.
That's a little bit funny because yeah.
Scroll down a wee bit.
Oh.
You could use this scroll down. So it is Noobs that we want here. So if you go to Noobs.
Why Noobs?
Well, it's kind of a simpler way to install. Okay. Scroll on down a wee bit. So what we want to do is choose to download the zip of Noobs. And you'll see that this was released.
Is this double click or single click?
It's just a single click. We're downloading. It was created on the 21st of November 2015, and obviously we bought our Vilros at we bought it. We got it at Christmas, and that means that it was slightly before this was released. So this is downloading, and we're going to leave that to download. We have to use this PC, unfortunately, to download it because we're going to copy it under our SD card that we have for our Raspberry Pi. So can you take out the little small SD card, the micro SD card from the Raspberry Pi?
Where?
Yeah, you should probably turn off the Raspberry Pi first. I think it's all yeah. And then take out the little card. You take it out by pushing it in. This is a wee card, man. Yeah, that's it. Push it in, and it clicks, and then it comes out. Okay. Now you want to get the bigger card that came in the kit, which is in the blue and white box over there. You want to get the bigger card, which is the SD. Yeah.
There it is. Now what?
So plug in the little small plug in the little small card to the big card.
Oh.
This is going to allow us to connect it into whichever way it goes. I think it's going to only go one way. If you have to push it too hard, then don't. That sounds like a good fit there. So we're using the big SD card, and the reason why we're using that is that the computer on the side there has a slot for the SD card. Now if you don't have one of these on your computer, you can buy a little adapter for SD cards.
Yeah.
And you see, in pushing that in, it's going to ask you what you want to do with it. So just click that to open up. Oh, missed it. It's okay. It's going to be a drive on our machine here. Recovery. So this is all the stuff that we used to have on our Raspberry Pi, all the stuff that was created. But we're going to get rid of this now and replace it with the new stuff that we download. The new stuff that we have downloaded has 5 minutes left to go, so we're just going to let it run through and download. Okay, so Noobs is downloaded, but we need to format the micro SD card to get rid of the stuff that's on it at the minute. Just replacing the stuff that's on the SD card isn't good enough because whenever we put it into Windows, Windows doesn't see the whole drive, so we need to reformat it as well. So, Theo, why don't you go to the website that's in the background there?
This?
Yeah. Don't close it now.
So minimize this.
Minimize that. That's perfect. So this is the SD card association site. So click on the title bar and we can see it.
Title bar.
Title bar is the bar. Yeah. So the window comes into the foreground. So this is the SD association, sdcard.org, and we're going to download a bit of software from here that helps. Now scroll up to the top, man, and hit downloads. Don't use the wrong mouse.
I put that the other way round just so that I couldn't actually.
So in downloads is SD formatter for Windows download is what we want here because we're using Windows.
I'm using Windows down there.
So click that.
Double click or just single?
Just everything single click when it's a URL link. So there's an end user license agreement. You want to scroll down and use the screen if you want now. And all the way down to the bottom, there's a lot of stuff. There's an accept button. Just top that's going to jump up and down now. So hit the accept button. You could use the mouse if you wanted, or you could just click the screen.
Yeah, clicking the screen would be nobody.
So now this is going to be 2 minutes. No, it isn't. Don't touch the screen now. It's going to do it again.
14, 15, 14, 15, 19, 14, 12,
This formatter application is going to format our SD card
3, 2, 1, 0.
so we can put the new Raspberry Pi version on it. So you see that it's downloading the second time now? No, but just click on the first download. That's the arrow beside it. Yeah, just that one. That's going to open that setup. That's it. So just double click on the setup.exe in that, and that will install this SD formatter. Yeah, now you need to double click there.
I just did.
Yep, good. So it's installing it. Let it go. Don't use the mouse around now, that's going to ruin the video. Hit the next button. It's going to ask us about the license agreement again. Oh no, it isn't. Hit next. Hit install. And yes, quick hit yes. So it's asking us, do we really want to install? So we do.
Yeah, we definitely do.
So hit finish.
Install Shield Wizard.
Now if you hit the Windows key and type SD formatter, SD, there it is there, so just select it. Hit yes. You could still use the wrong mouse button if you want.
Yeah, stop tickling me.
So, we want to format a It's not offering us any drives to format. So let me take over here. And we'll hit the refresh button, and there's still no drives to format. Okay, so I wonder has this got to do
I
with...
don't think he even hit the thing.
Oh, it didn't. So if we go back out to this PC, it's not recognised the card that we have in. This could have been because we did something on this earlier, so maybe I'll just change that now. We have to recognise there's an associated drive letter with the card. So I undid this earlier when I was messing around with this, so I'm going to redo it again, okay? So if I add that and just assign the drive letter key, that'll do fine. So ignore that bit. So we've got D in there, and we need to look at the format options. Well, don't move this.
The camera.
The camera's seeing it from that. Yeah, it's long and complicated.
Why does it say not smiley face?
a size adjustment. I want everything. Yes, I want a format. So the reason why we wanted the size adjustment in there is we don't want to format it to the same size as it is at the minute because it's only using up a little bit of the car's little window seats. So this is going ahead, it's erasing this, and it's done. It's remarkably quick. Jeepers, hope you make it to the end of this video.
Yeah.
So, if we go to lots of the File Explorer and look for our drive, so complicated, and we've now got 7 gigabytes, and that all we needed was to expand the size of the drive. So now that we've got that drive and it's empty, what we need to do is we need to copy everything from the downloaded zip of Noobs. Remember we did a Control A in this? Could you do a Control C again? Copy? No, remember you need to hold down Control before you hit C. And then you move over to D.
Yeah.
And click the left mouse button first, so it's a selected window. And then hold down Control and hit V. You can hold down Control for as long as you want and hit V, but don't do it again because that'll copy it again. So this is going to take a bit of time, 3 minutes in this case.
No, it's not going to take 3 minutes.
I think it is.
It's going to take...
Well, I think it's not going to take 3 minutes, but it may take longer or less
It's going to take less.
time. So...
What, 1 minute 45 seconds?
Yeah. Looking good, looking good. 5 seconds to go!
Oh, it's turning really slow.
It's not real. Oh, 30 seconds to go!
30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22.
Yay, we're done.
Yay.
So, very important, just to make sure that that copy is completed, is to actually properly eject the SD card. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that, and that card can now be pulled out of the system. So just pull that out of the system, yeah? Now, we'll stop the recording of the screen there, because we're finished with the PC.
Small microchip on.
Please take the little small microchip out. Please plug that. Hold on.
Into the Vilros.
Yeah.
Wow.
Now let me do a little bit of manipulation back here because I wanna.
Yeah, you're good at manipulation.
Deary me, that's a bit insulting.
Yeah.
So.
Is this what you like?
Yeah, we're missing something that we need here. I'll just use this one.
Does it this way?
It's the wee small card, yeah, and you just push it in until it click. You heard the click.
Yeah, I heard the no click.
So hold on, don't press turn anything
The
on
red
yet.
board. It's the
Don't
wrong
turn
way
it.
round.
Okay, right. So.
Killing a mouse. Killing a mouse. Dad, I'm killing a mouse.
Uh-oh. This is teddy bread. What is it? Teddy bread? Ah, this teddy bread comes out off the...
Welcome to Dad, this is a mouse. Dad, pretend this was a mouse, Dad. The mouse likes the mouse.
Okay, so get rid of the PC. We don't need the wee card, the big card anymore. We've plugged in the wee card into the Vilros. We've got our TV ready to go. Why don't you
Got my keyboard here.
turn on? Could you do that?
That's like really embarrassing. You try to pull it and then it's like. I
So
don't think I can.
turn on the Raspberry Pi again. We'll see what happens. Okay, so we're back. Hopefully it is installed. So hit OK there, Theo. It's going to be exactly the same as it was before when we went into configuration for the first time.
Whoa.
Stop typing so fast.
I'm not. Okay, I am.
Ooh, it took a long time there.
Yeah. It's because it sometimes takes a long time to write some stuff. Whoa.
This is all starting up all the
Little things.
all the little things that are part of the Raspberry Pi.
Wow, this thing can really cool quickly.
So is it going to bring us into configuration, or is it going to bring us into
Don't know.
the...
Home screen.
Oh, it's going to bring us in directly into the...
Home screen.
screen, isn't it?
Except it isn't loading.
It's taking its time.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, now slow down, me man. Go through the menus really slowly again, please. See if there's anything extra. Oh, there are new things. Don't-
Yeah, blue Java, green foot Java, nope. These are all.
And scratch Sonic Pi. See if there's anything. Office, there's Office. Wow. Free versions of the free Office apps. Into internet.
No.
Wow, and there's a new mail system there. So there's a few new things
Just
from...
Minecraft and Python games.
And that's kind of the same as the last time, isn't it?
Yeah, this.
We probably need to connect it to the internet again, because we did that last time, didn't we?
Where was the internet?
That was the two wee monitor
Computers.
screens. And then, so choose Wilson Armistead's guest there. And then after a couple of seconds that'll be us connected. So that's us, man.
Let's go to Scratch.
Let's go to Scratch, which was
That's the first thing you should do in the